Summer 2026 Polar Plunge, Day 2. The Pacific Ocean at Ruby Beach. It has been strongly advised that I not do this because of frigid temperatures and often strong rip currents. It's pretty chilly. It's not crazy. Definitely had worse. And I'm gonna go out till I can submerge. Brace for the wave. Brace for the wave. Woo! That one got high. A little cold there. Woo! Yeah, that was chilly. All right, between some waves. Ooh, okay. Salty deliciousness. Look at that. Pretty, pretty. A little hard on the feet. But that was my first time in the Pacific. 8 out of 10.